This is my honest review of NinjaTrader after actually using it. I've tried a lot of trading platforms before, and honestly, most of them look powerful at first, but after a while they feel overwhelming or just annoying to use every day. That's why NinjaTrader surprised me, because it actually fits into real trading instead of forcing you to fight the platform. What I like most is how practical it is. Once you get it set up, everything you need is right there. You're not wasting time clicking through endless menus. You open it, you focus on the chart, and you can actually trade or analyze without distractions. That makes a big difference, especially during fast markets. The platform is very clear and structured. It doesn't feel messy or confusing. Yes, it has a lot of tools, but they're organized in a way that makes sense. You don't feel lost, and over time it feels more natural the more you use it. Design-wise, it feels professional and serious. Not flashy, not trying too hard to look cool, just built for traders who actually spend hours looking at charts. You can tell it's made for real use, not just marketing. Another strong point is consistency. NinjaTrader lets you build a routine. Your layouts, indicators, and strategies stay the same, so you're not constantly resetting things. That helps a lot with discipline and staying focused. It's also flexible. You can use it for manual trading, analysis, or automation, depending on your style. It adapts to how you trade, not the other way around. Overall, NinjaTrader feels like a tool, not a toy. It's something you can rely on daily if you're serious about trading. If this review helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.